Well, today I would like to present my business plan that is for me business plan 20 and 26. This business focus on supplying and catfish to street food vendors and restaurants, especially those selling rare and grilled catfish. Next, in the first business overview, our catfish farming business target street food vendors, small restaurants, and traditional markets. We focus on quality, consistency, and sustainable to ensure that our customer service receives fresh and healthy catfish on a regular basis. With the growing demand for affordable protein sources, catfish farming has strong potential for long-term growth. Next, vision mission. In vision, our vision is to become a sustainable and reliable catfish supplier. And our mission are first, first product healthy and high quality catfish. Two, second, support local food business. Third, use efficient eco-friendly farming methods. Okay, next, value proposition. Value proposition. We offer in the first a stable supply of fresh catfish. Second, competitive and affordable prices. And third, consistent quality that meets the needs of food vendors. This value help our customers maintain their product quality and business continuity. Okay, next, customer segment. Our main customer include pecel lele vendors in first, second, grilled catfish restaurant, third, traditional market, fourth, small food business. This segment requires reliable supplier with consistent pricing and quality. Okay, next, distribution channel. We distribute our product through in the first direct delivery to vendors, supply catfish to local market, and the third, cooperation with restaurant suppliers. This approach allows us to reach customers efficient, efficiently and maintain product freshness. Okay, next, customer relationship. We build strong customer relationship by focusing on first on-time delivery, long-term partnership, and plus consistent quality and pricing. This factor help increase customer trust and loyalty to us. Okay, next, revenue stream. Our revenue comes from in the first Bulk sales of harvested catfish. Second, regular orders from vendors and markets. This recurring income model ensures business stability. Next, key resources. Our key resources include the first is phone, second, catfish seeds and feed, third, clean water supply, fourth, equipment and labor. These resources support daily operation and production quality. Next, key partners. We collaborate with first fish seed supplier, second feed supplier, third local distributors, and the last food vendors. Partnership help reduce cost and ensure smooth operation. Key activities. Our main activities are in the first, breeding and cleaning catfish, second, water quality management, third, harvesting for distribution. These activities ensure efficient production and high quality output. Okay, and the last presentation, cost structure. Our main costs include first, fees, feed and seed, second, water and electric, third, phone and maintenance, and the last, labor and transportation. Proper cost management is essential to maintain profitability. In conclusion, catfish farming is a promising business opportunity due to high market demand and relatively low production rates. With a clear strategy, strong partnership, and consistent quality, this business can grow sustainably and support local food industry. Thank you for the time and attention. Bye.